Welcome to the day 4 of Aero India 2017. There's a lot of enthusiasm and excitement in the air. As you saw, in the last 3 days, the Rafale has taken center stage at the Aero show, and you can see it continues.
We visited with our friends and watched Rafale, and once we went back and told our kids about at home, he was very excited. So this is my second visit actually today, and to see Rafale.
The kind of potential this aircraft has, definitely it will elevate the level of the Indian Navy.
After this Rafale come in the Indian Air Force, it will definitely a big achievement, and the capability of the Indian Air Force sure will boom up,
I'm very excited about Rafale in India. I want to fly the Rafale by becoming a pilot because my father was also a fighter pilot.
I've come here to see the Rafale fly. I want to fly the Rafale. Exciting to see it up close in that person.
Yeah, I've seen Rafale flying. It's too good. Like, it's amazing the way it moves.
Yeah, the display of the Rafale is beautiful. I mean, it's a very powerful engine and it's a very powerful aircraft.
Noise, the stereo bike, the stunts was amazing.
It was one of the the best displays I've ever seen till date.
I mean, out of all, that was, I think, by far, I felt the best. Rafale, I loved it. It was amazing, amazing. Rafale was amazing. It was so stunning, and I just loved it.
We're very happy that India has got the 36 Rafale jets. We just saw the display. I think it's a formidable fighter.
I think it was very agile, highly maneuverable, and incredible power. And the fact that it was able to slow down to close to 140 knots and then accelerate and do a flyby, and the kind of loops that it managed to do, I think it shows on the maneuverability and a very good choice by the Indian Air Force overall.
Rafale rocks!
What a lovely day it is. People are so enthusiastic about Rafale and so excited to see Rafale in India. As we complete the day 4, the enthusiasm of Rafale in India amongst the people is just increasing as the days pass. See you all tomorrow at Namma Bengaluru, right here at Aero India 2017, while day 5 is definitely going to be rocking.